Welcome to Best Choice. The best Heartlake City School is probably one of the most anticipated LEGO sets for young builders, offering a vibrant and detailed replica of a beloved location where friendships blossom and learning comes to life, complete with numerous interactive features and charming mini-doll figures that encourage imaginative storytelling and hours of creative play, making it a standout addition to any LEGO collection. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. Step back in time to the beloved Central Perk Cafe. This brick-built version is packed with authentic details, ready to spark hilarious memories from the classic Friends TV show. Inside, you'll find the Central Perk studio set along with all your favorite characters. Recreate memorable scenes with the included minifigures and their cool accessories. This 1070-piece collectible offers a rewarding building experience for adults. It's the perfect gift for any fan of Friends memorabilia, ideal for solo builds or shared fun. Compatible with existing LEGO construction toys, bricks, and characters. You can create your own unique mashup models and tell your own stories with this set. Standing over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep, this colorful gift makes a big impression. It's perfect for displaying in any room or office. What we like? This set is a fantastic piece of nostalgia for any Friends fan. If you love the show and enjoy detailed display pieces, this is the one for you. It offers a rewarding building experience for adults and a great way to show off your fandom. What people say. The detail was perfect. The directions were easy to follow and everything fit together so well. The attention to detail is incredible. From the orange couch to the stage lights, everything screams Central Perk. The minifigs are spot on. Joey even has his man bag, and building the set was both relaxing and nostalgic. With 1070 pieces, this set is packed with intricate details and fun references that perfectly capture the charm of the Central Perk Cafe. The build process was enjoyable and engaging, with clever design techniques that bring the famous coffee shop to life. The attention to detail is fantastic, with small touches like the menu board, the coffee machine, and even the reserved sign on the couch. The set includes 7 minifigures: Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther, each with unique accessories that reflect their characters perfectly. Number 4. LEGO Creator Expert Bookshop 10270. Step into a world of creativity with this advanced LEGO Creator Expert modular building set. It's a bookshop with an adjoining townhouse, filled with delightful details for builders of all ages. This impressive 3-story set offers a wealth of features. Explore the display window, bookshelves, reading nook, and living spaces, all brought to life by 5 included minifigures. This model is a proud member of the modular building series. Expand your collection and create stunning street scenes with these interconnecting sets. With 2,504 pieces, this set is perfect for adults and teenagers. It makes an exceptional gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Standing over 11 inches tall, this buildable model is a statement piece. Display it alone or integrate it into your larger modular building street scene for an even grander effect. What we like? This is a truly advanced building experience for collectors. If you are looking for a detailed, multi-story model that can connect with other modular buildings to create a larger street scene, this bookshop is an excellent choice. It's perfect for display and offers a challenging build. What people say. The build is split into 2 separate buildings, the charming Birch Books bookshop and a stylish townhouse, both filled with intricate details and clever building techniques. Inside the bookshop, you'll find bookshelves, a spiral staircase, and even a hidden book in the attic. The townhouse features a cozy living space, a bedroom, and even a pet chameleon, adding a fun touch of personality. The included minifigures, a bookshop owner, a little boy, a couple, and a book-loving customer, enhance the storytelling possibilities. Number 3. LEGO Friends Heartlake City Vet Clinic 41446. Discover the Heartlake City Vet Clinic, where you can be a hero for animals. It's the perfect place to unleash your creativity and care for creatures in need. This set builds quickly and comes with 8 characters, including mini dolls and various animal figures. You can create endless stories about animal care. Join Donna the vet with a baby animal, help Savannah with her guide dog, or rescue a baby turtle with Mia. So many adventures await. This is an everyday gift for boys and girls aged 6 and up who love to show their caring side. It includes easy instructions for building fun. Measuring over 6 inches high and wide, this set is perfect for display. Kids can easily access it for spontaneous moments of caring play. What we like. This set is perfect for young animal lovers who enjoy pretend play. If your child wants to be a vet and care for various animals, this clinic offers a great value with many characters and scenarios. It encourages empathy and creative storytelling. What people say. The school has a lot of rooms and accessories, including a classroom with desks and a whiteboard, a cafeteria, and an art room. The set includes 5 mini doll figures, Olivia, Emma, Stephanie, Andrea, and Noah, as well as various accessories like backpacks, lunchboxes, and art supplies. The Heartlake City School is a great addition to the LEGO Friends collection, offering hours of imaginative play for children. Number 2. LEGO Friends Heartlake City Shopping Mall 41450. Get ready for an exciting shopping adventure at the Heartlake City Shopping Mall. This extensive toy is packed with clever details for endless imaginative play. Discover a variety of stores, a photo booth, a fashion stand, and a delicious food court. It's the perfect place to recreate a fun family day out. This set comes with 6 characters, including 4 friends, a microdoll, and a baby figure. Bring your imaginative shopping play to life with them. Explore 5 different stores catering to kids' interests, from tech and music to fashion and toys. Plus, enjoy a food court with a bubble tea stand and a noodle restaurant. You'll find neat details like an ATM, a baby changing station, and realistic accessories in the stores. A moving escalator and a slide add to the fun. This fantastic playset is perfect for builders aged 8 and up who love to shop. It's a great friendship toy for pretending to hang out with your best friends. What we like. This is an exciting playset for kids who love shopping and social play. If you're looking for a detailed mall with various shops, a food court, and interactive elements like an escalator, this is a great option. It's ideal for kids aged 8+ who enjoy imaginative role-playing with friends. What people say. My favorite part of this set is the working escalator. This shopping mall was great. Babies, mums, other characters, the elevator, and all the shops, even the ATM machine was very detailed, and my kids are enjoying it even after months of having this. My daughter loves it, and it's a lot of fun and lots of details. Number 1. LEGO Friends Heartlake City Restaurant 41379. Introduce your little one to the exciting world of dining out. They can role-play cooking delicious pizzas and serving eager guests, or simply imagine catching up with friends. This engaging building set comes with 3 mini doll figures, Emma, Ethan, and a talented LEGO chef. Get ready for endless culinary adventures. Discover a fantastic pizza oven, a fresh salad bar, and a charming balcony dining area. It also includes a scooter and numerous other accessories to spark creativity. With 624 pieces, this pretend play restaurant is perfect for boys and girls aged 6 and up. It's a delightful experience for fans and kids of all ages. This wonderful playset measures over 6 inches high, 9 inches wide, and 4 inches deep. It's a substantial addition to any play collection. You can build this toy together with all other original LEGO sets and bricks. Let your imagination run wild with limitless creative building opportunities. What we like. This set is designed for imaginative play centered around dining and socializing. If your child enjoys role-playing as a chef or a customer in a restaurant, this play set with its pizza oven and dining area is a perfect fit. It's great for kids aged 6+ who like to recreate everyday scenarios. What people say. She's 8 and was able to assemble the set herself. This has so much play value. It keeps her busy and her mind engaged, as well as giving her the joy of pretend play. Very detailed, cute and fun. Love how they have instructions for kids to follow. Our son loves cooking in restaurants and really enjoyed playing with this after assembling it. He is 4 and it took him about 2 days with some assistance to build. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.